Okay, this is my video review of the CTR-301P flash triggers. They came in this box, and I got the 2 receiver set, and then it came with the transmitter, obviously, and the 2 sync cords, which I don't really have a use for, and the instruction manual. These are actually really nice flash triggers because they have 2 modes on them. They've got the light mode, which has a sensor on the top where it detects another flash and it'll fire it, or the wireless mode, which is through the transmitter from a camera, and then it fires it wirelessly. These were relatively inexpensive, around 40 bucks for the 2 receivers, and they work really well. I've probably got a range of around 60 feet through about 1 wall. I don't really need much more than that, but if you did need more than that, you'd probably have to spend a lot more for the pocket wizards, which are quite a lot of money. And then these also use the CR2 batteries inside of them. And they have the hawk shoe on top, which goes right into the flash like this. And then on the bottom it has the 1/4-20 bolt screw, which fits perfectly on light stands or on even a tripod if you wanted to. Or in this case, my umbrella adapter, which it goes on just like that. And then you can just stick your umbrella through that and fire anywhere, pretty much. And then I'll show you, you just hook each one up to a flash unit. I've got 2 here. One of them's an older film flash, and the other is the Canon 430EX, relatively new. I'll put both of them on wireless mode. And hook this transmitter up to my 30D. There's the little pre-flash. This one was, the flash wasn't on. And then this is the test button. Not sure if you can see that on the camera or not. And then you just go to take a picture with it. And they both fire at the exact same time. I've had almost no misfires with this, except when I was at a ridiculous range just for the testing. Also, these have this light mode where you just set it to L, and I'll set this one just to normal, and then I'll fire a test shot on this one, and the little sensor in front right there will actually pick up this one and fire this flash. If you saw that on film, I'm not sure if you can actually see that on video. I'll do it again. So this one actually fires just from seeing the light from this one, which I thought was pretty cool because if you, it's got a lot of applications where if you wanted one more flash on camera or something, you could do that. Wouldn't have to tie up your camera's hawk shoe with the receiver. And these mount really well on a light stand as well. They also have 4 different channels, I think. I never actually tried out the different channels. I just kept it on the default one, and they work great. And they also have a PC sync cord on the side for older flashes, for hooking it up to an older flash, and then you can just fire it from there rather than the hawk shoe. Or they have other purposes too, like these are for plugging it into larger strobe units, like the Alien Bees. You just plug that into your strobe, and then you've got wireless flash triggers. The build quality on them is pretty good as well. They're pretty well built considering the price. I mean, I don't need anything better than this for build quality anyways, but like pretty good feel to them. Shipping was actually really quick with them. It took about 9 days to get here. And actually the same day that I bought these, I also ordered something from California, and that got here only 1 or 2 days before, compared to getting these from Hong Kong, which is really quick for shipping time. And yeah, these are pretty good flash units. And the only thing I didn't like was that on some of the flash units like this old film flash, it'll stand up, but when you put it on some other flashes like my 430EX here, 1 second. It doesn't stand upright on the ground, it just actually falls over. Like that. But I mean, that's just a minor issue considering all that's in place. I was looking at different flash units on eBay, or flash triggers on eBay, and I decided to just go with these ones rather than the Cactus V4s or the Cactus V2s, just because of reliability issues, and I heard a lot of good reviews on these ones as well. So yeah, they're really good flash units. I really like them. You should probably pick up a pair if you're interested in doing some strobist work, off-camera flash, anything like that. They're really reliable flash units, and yeah, just go pick them up if you want to do some strobist work. Alright, thanks for watching my review.